Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today is too hard, that's why I make here smoothie milkshake. That one I put a regular milk, apple, banana, and strawberry. Just 1 minute I make is a blind. Then I put here ruabza and chocolate ice cream. Also I gave is a chocolate straw also. That one is very delicious and very soft. And boys like it this one. That's why I make it for 2 glass here. For one is a Sakib, one is a Shojib, and that's really good. Everybody try home. Really is good time for is a summer. So this is my first drink here. I make this today. So next what I make, then I share with you guys. So thank you for watching Munni Loves Cooking. And if you like my channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.